Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all this Miuo portable electric heater. I did receive this to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. I just want you guys to be able to see this product and be confident in your purchasing if this is the right heater for you. That being said, here's how it's going to come packaged to you directly from Amazon in this nice box. I'll post a link to this in my video description below. It'll take you right to Amazon where you can do some shopping and see the product page for yourself. Again, this is how it's going to come to you. It's a 700 watt to a 950 watt heater. So it's got 2 settings and then a fan setting, so 3 total. And it has a built-in anti-tip over shut-off switch, which is nice. Horizontal grill, recessed handle, smart touch panel, 3 modes, high, low, fan, 1 key swivel, so wide angle heating from side to side. It has an oscillating motion. So really excited about this just to get it unboxed and see what it's like. I've yet to review an oscillating portable heater, so this is going to be cool. So let's go ahead and open it up. First thing out of the box, this nice little hello friend. So you can go ahead and look at that if interested and contact them. A user manual we see right here. Nice detail, nice in English, easy to read, cool. And now for the heater itself. You can see the brand right there, it looks really sharp. Miuo. Touch panel is going to look really cool. This is sweet. I'm really excited. I love the size of this too. And the oscillating motion is just an added bonus. That it'll cover that much more like distance and range because it's just going to be rotating in place. So you can hear when I pick it up, there's the little anti-tip switch. So if something happens and that gets off to one of the sides, it'll shut everything off if there's no pressure on there. So this is really cool, guys. I can't stress enough. The presentation when you open it out of the box, this is really nice. It just kind of feels, I don't know why, it kind of feels high quality to me. So you can see the touch panel right here. So again, this is kind of fancy stuff for a space heater. I can see the fan looking through there and the horizontal grill. And we have a nice cord right here, and you have an on and off button on the side as well. So let's go ahead, let's plug it in. We'll try out the modes and see how we like it. All right, guys, so I went ahead, I plugged it in. Make sure you turn the power switch on in the back. Then you can hit the power button. This is a really nice touch panel, so this is really cool. So it should be like the box says. We'll power it on. It'll be in high, then low, then fan. So let's go ahead and see. Sure sounds like high to me. Feels really nice and warm already. That's pretty impressive. Here's low. And here's fan. So great heater. I'm already impressed. I can't believe how warm it already is. I know that kind of sounds silly, but it already is warm. So let's go back to high. And let's do the swing. Now you can see it start to oscillate, which is really cool. So it rotates to there and probably right about here. Okay, so it's roughly got a 45 degrees or so rotation for the oscillation, which is really great. I just love that it has that feature. So you want it directly behind you off to the side. It covers not just, blasting you from one angle. You get to spread out the heat if you're going to keep this at your desk, in your cube, that sort of thing. It's quiet too. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's really quiet. I'm really impressed. And again, it just looks really nice, really cool. So a great unit right here. Really easy, straightforward to use. Love having the little touch panel right there. There's no knobs, no nothing. I do kind of wish something maybe would light up if they could integrate LEDs into that, but that's just me being picky, and obviously all that stuff kind of drives up price. And if you just want to leave this at your desk while you work or just in your bedroom or that sort of thing, you don't need any of that fancy stuff. So it's really cool, a really great unit. Just for fun now, let's go ahead. Let's pick it up and see if that little anti-tip switch works. There we go. Yep, and then it won't go back on until you turn it back on. So everything works. It's really safe, which is really nice and really cool. You can do swing mode again. I love seeing that. If I tap it now, it looks like it stops, which is cool. So it's really responsive. Great unit. I'll go ahead. I'll shut it off. I also want to show you really quick in the back. You can see here, they actually give you a little flap you can open, and there's like a little air filter. So I guess down the line, if you use this a bunch and you have some issues, you might want to take this out, make sure it's not full of dust or clogged. And that's really nice. And then you can just put it right back in. and you're back in business. So a great unit. Go ahead, check it out. I'm really impressed. Also forgot to mention too, they got a nice handle right here for portability if you got to move it around. So really happy with this. A great unit, really cool. Really blown away. The link is in my video description below. Definitely the best heater I've reviewed so far. Really happy with it. So excited to use this down here in my studio and to stay warm. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Leave me any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Give me your feedback. Love to hear from you guys. Advice, tips, tricks, that sort of thing. Connect with me. You can tweet at me, that sort of thing. Join my newsletter and subscribe to my channel. So I appreciate you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.